Hi. Today in this video we are going to do sounds in detail. So I'm just going to cover group 1 sounds in this video. Let's begin with letter S. Now the letter is named S, but it has a sound S. What is this action that we are doing? We are forming a snake from our hand, snake, and we are doing the action. So let's do some more words that have the beginning sound as s. I'm going to focus only on the beginning sound because it helps children to understand the sound in a much better way rather than doing sounds at the end or in the middle. So I'm only going to focus on those words which have the beginning sound as s, like star, star, suck, suck, smell, smell, sun, sun, sleep, sleep, spider, spider, spoon, spoon,